The question is, in the bracket, 16 plus 8. Bracket closed, divided by, bracket 5 minus 2, bracket closed, multiplied by, bracket 9 minus 3, according to BODMS. P for parentheses, E for exponential, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, S for subtraction. We'll solve the parentheses first now. Solution. First, we'll solve the parentheses. 16 plus 8 equals 24 in the bracket. Divide by. 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2, that becomes 3. Multiply by 9 minus 3, bracket closed. Now let's solve further. 24. Divide by 3. Multiply by 9 minus 3 equals 6. Now let's solve further. 24. Divide by 3, multiply by 6. Now we'll check left to right, because we know that division and multiplication have the same priority, so we'll check left to right. After checking left to right, whichever comes first gets the first priority, and the one that comes second gets the second priority. So now, 24 divided by 3, multiply by 6. 24 divided by 3 is 8. Now, 8 times 6 equals 48. This is the right answer.